Make decorative newspaper Christmas candle. It's great for this Christmas season. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe my channel for latest update and hit the bell button for notification. You can ask your kids to make. They will love crafting it. For this you will be needing take any magazine paper and cut them into 3 sections. Now, place the stick at the corner of the paper at an acute angle. Tuck under the corner edge and then roll with your finger. Apply glue to secure. Make few more. Now take 2 tubes, apply glue at one of the end and insert into the other to form a long tube like this. Now press and roll it this way with barbecue stick or any steel rod like this. Keep on rolling. Now, at the end, apply glue and press it. Hold it for a while. So now you have this coil with you. Make few more. For making this, same way, make a coil. Keep on rolling it like this. Now you don't have to paste here, just hold it this way and leave it, and you have this shape with you. Press it over here to form a shape. Apply glue, paste it, hold it for a while. It will look like this. Now make few more to decorate it. Now apply glue, white glue all over on both the sides. Now here I am using red acrylic color. Color it on both the sides. Dilute the color with water. Keep on coloring the rest of the coil. You can color whichever color you want. For more Christmas crafts, do watch my videos and subscribe if you haven't so you don't miss any of my craft videos. I'm using this glitter. Apply glue, white glue, and sprinkle red glitter on it this way. It will look so beautiful. Repeat with the rest of the coils. For more crafts, you can watch my previous videos. Here now, apply glue and sprinkle green glitter on it this way. Here I am using it yellow glitter. Now to form a candle, apply hot glue and paste it this way. Same way repeat and attach them together this way. Just you have to hold it little while. Keep on repeating. Isn't it so cute and creative to lighten your room and gifting your loved ones? If you make, please share with me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Subscribe if you haven't, and don't forget to like, share, comment below. Thank you for watching, supporting and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.